Oh my gosh, biscuits, it's been such a, hold on, hair flip. Hair flip. It's been such a long time since we've spoken. So I'm breaking this up into two because I kind of wanted to keep chatting with you all lovely biscuits. Somebody's playing the piano with anger because I yelled at him for being naughty. I mean, I try not to yell, I just use my scary mom voice, don't do that. You know, but he's been being so naughty. Oh my goodness. I'm really trying to keep everything as normal as possible for him because he does not react well with his developmental things, with changing routine or structure or anything. But you know, there's a limit for what I can do for normalcy and for trying to reduce my stress so he doesn't pick up on that. So he has just really been aggravating me. It's still too cold for him to go play outside. But point being, I wanted to continue this, and since I can't upload the super long videos anymore, I thought I would do day after day. Oh, I love this cute shirt. This is a cutie pie. We got this at M&S in London, and I had so wanted to go back this spring and do some springtime videos around the UK. And my heart just aches for everybody all over the world that is going through all of this. You know, I am a very empathetic person, and I really feel deeply about these lovely countries, some of them Abraham and I have visited, with these beautiful people that are all, you know, in such stressful situations. And I really hope that the U.S. continues to try to act and be intelligent so that we can learn from other countries that have gone through such harsh things. You know, that it's at least for something for us to all learn from. Oh yeah, these are cute. These are Yeti pajamas, which I always think are adorable. Hey Gunder, do you want to help fold things? You have to sit your tookie down or you're going to break Chompy.
Okay.
You can if you sit here, but not if you stand on me.
But I could tell you guys something.
If you sit down you can, but only through goodness.
Then I will.
My moo-moo, Spoonly,
Then
my
I
best friend,
talk to them
if
now?
you sit down here, hates this moo-moo dress every time I wear it, but I love it, I love it. Okay, sit down. What did you want to say?
To them.
Okay.
But my mom, don't know much about what. How when people don't have much love, you die.
Abraham's been telling me lately that I don't know very much about love, and he knows everything about love, so I should listen to him.
Can I please talk to them, please?
Okay.
If you whoever did blog, you will know who you will be good.
We should be good.
Love is good.
That is good.
Love will power the world.
I think you're totally right.
You know that.
Good job. Okay, now go over there and help me fold.
Yeah.
Working on the idea of chores, and you know, that if we're going to be inside more, we all got to help clean more. And some people are debating that. But I do love that shirt from London because it is my favorite city in the whole wide world. It's so shocking to be in a time where we can't more easily travel. It's just a weird time in history. So I would love to hear, and I know that the comments are still off here. I'd love if they came back on, but tell me on Instagram or tell me on my other YouTube channel where there are comments. You know, places that you love, that you feel really close to. Not where you live, but places that you've traveled to or seen, or maybe your family's from, that you feel a really close kinship to. And let's talk about that, because I feel like that's a beautiful way to feel connected in this time. Are all the beautiful places that we have seen and heard about. And I think it's a nice time to reconnect and refocus on just how interconnected we all are. Oh, he's got his chompy robot. He loves it.
Chomp.
I love that. I loved the other year we went on that super budget trip. I don't know how many of you followed our travel vlogs for that when we went to Florence. We just went to Florence for a day. It was a day trip from Rome. And it was a super budget trip. Super. We stayed in some dodgy areas to stick with our budget, but it was so beautiful to get to show him Florence and the artwork and the architecture there. And it's just one of my prized memories that I have with Abraham, which makes me, you know, want us all to be able to share and talk about. I'm looking for socks in case you're like, why is she looking away? She's talking to us, but she can't see us. That's why. To share these wonderful fond memories and to think of good times in the future where I'll be able to travel around and do meetups again and see the great things that this world is made up of. Okay, yoga pants. On a less serious note, oh my goodness, who has the problem that I have, which is I have the hardest time finding yoga gear that fits. It's just the shape of my body. It just doesn't want to fit. Hey, love. How are you? Are you my Monkosaurus?
To love and love.
To love and love.
You will
I
love. You think this will be help everyone. You will love both of you. You will love everyone you hear and you know.
I think that's very true. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. It connects all matter, gives all life meaning and focus.
No, that's not what it means.
Oh, what does it mean?
Without love, the world will turn to dust. The universe will be made. Rockets will be made. They will all
Rockets would be made?
dead.
What kind of rockets would be made?
No, I meant no rockets.
Oh, no, it would be terrible if no rockets were made. We wouldn't have satellites. We wouldn't have the space station.
No, I mean no one would be built, not even you.
That would be terrible.
And the world and even space will be gone.
Space would be gone. Okay, Biscuits, I hope you appreciate that Abraham firmly believes that love is the most powerful force in the universe. I'm going to have to get you off me for 1 second so I can get to the clothes, my love. And that love is vital. And doing things that you love with the people you love is so important. Oh, look at this. I haven't shown this yet. I haven't taken any photos of it because, it's not been the time right now. From our merch line is our Mr. Dancing Avocado, or, it's non-gendered. It's the non-gendered dancing avocado. They love to dance and jiggle. I love the avocado. Speaking of things that I love, avocado art just makes me happy. It just does. I cannot help it. I am just one of those avocado nerds. It's the inner California girl in me. Like, totally. Oh my god. I've probably never done my faux valley girl, but I can do it all day long. Oh my god, you won't believe what I heard. I was getting my spray tan. Yes, those are the voices that I remember hearing growing up and going, it's an interesting accent you've got there. And I've never figured out why that particular subgroup developed as an accent. Where did it come from? It's not a different country. It's very strange. I've never understood that. Not that it's a bad accent or that I mean to tease it in a derogatory way. It's just one of those things that I've never figured out how it has developed in such like a small little narrow geographical area.
Mom.
Okay, Biscuits. I am going to put away all this folded laundry. As you can tell, there was a pile of it. But I'm so glad that we get to get on here and chat and see how we're doing in and be realistic and honest about how our days are going, but also be joyful and talk about things that I think will spread joy, make us happier, keep us all calm and loved up. All of you parents with kids at home, I feel you, my sisters and brothers. It is, yes, Abraham, I have to say, has not been at full school yet. He would have started this fall. We'll see how that goes. But even those few hours a week, they were glorious. I love you, Abraham, but sometimes you can be a bit naughty. Okay, Biscuits, I love you all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Mwah. Abraham's feet say, entertain your children.